What is this? This is a knife. I used a sharp knife to cut the vegetables for dinner. What is this? This is a cutting board. Please chop the onions on the cutting board to keep the counter clean. What is this? This is a frying pan. She heated the frying pan before adding the eggs. What is this? This is a saucepan. He boiled the pasta in a large saucepan. What is this? This is a spatula. The chef used a spatula to flip the pancakes perfectly. What is this? This is a blender. I made a fruit smoothie using the blender. What is this? This is an oven. The cookies baked in the oven for 15 minutes. What is this? This is a microwave. I warmed my leftover rice in the microwave. What is this? This is a toaster. She put 2 slices of bread in the toaster for breakfast. What is this? This is a mixing bowl. He stirred the cake batter in a large mixing bowl. What is this? This is a whisk. I used a whisk to mix the eggs until they were fluffy. What is this? This is a measuring cup. You need a measuring cup to add the correct amount of milk. What is this? This is a grater. She used a grater to shred the cheese for the pasta. What is this? This is a colander. He drained the boiled spaghetti using a colander. What is this? This is a rolling pin. She rolled out the dough with a wooden rolling pin. What is this? This is a ladle. The ladle is perfect for serving hot soup. What is this? This is a pair of tongs. He used tongs to turn the chicken on the grill. What is this? This is a baking tray. The cookies were placed on a baking tray before going into the oven. What is this? This is a pressure cooker. She cooked the lentils quickly using a pressure cooker. What is this? This is a pizza cutter. She used a pizza cutter to slice the hot pizza into even pieces. What is this? This is a funnel. He used a funnel to pour the juice into the bottle without spilling. Thanks for watching. How many did you guess correctly? Comment your answers below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Minded for more easy English lessons. See you next time.